Did you know that over 1 billion lights are used during Diwali celebrations around the globe? That's right. From tiny diyas, earthen lamps, to massive fireworks displays, the sheer brilliance of Diwali is enough to light up the night sky and your heart. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today we're diving into the magical world of Diwali, also known as the Festival of Lights. This incredible celebration is not just about the lights, but it's rich with cultural significance, traditions, and stories that connect millions of people across the globe. So grab your favorite snack and let's get started. Now, while Diwali is a time for joy and celebration, it does come with its challenges. For example, preserving traditional practices in a world that is rapidly modernizing. With the hustle and bustle of everyday life, sometimes it's tough to keep those cherished customs alive, especially for younger generations. Balancing the old with the new can be tricky, but many families are finding creative ways to celebrate while honoring their heritage. But let's shift our focus back to the celebrations because they're truly spectacular. Diwali is celebrated in various ways across different cultures. In India, people adorn their homes with colorful rangoli designs and twinkling lights. Diyas, those lovely little oil lamps, are placed around homes to invite prosperity and happiness. In some regions, you'll find families gathering to create beautiful mandaps, offering prayers to Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and wisdom. And let's not forget about the food. From sweet treats like laddus and barfis to savory snacks, every bite is filled with love and tradition. Oh, and the community celebrations are a whole vibe. Streets are filled with laughter, music, and dance as families come together to share in the joy of the festival. Each celebration has its own unique twist, but at the heart of it all is the significance of lights, representing the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. Now picture this. The night of Diwali arrives and the streets are ablaze with sparkle and shine. Families gather on their balconies, gazing at the breathtaking display of fireworks illuminating the sky. The air is filled with laughter, joy, and the aroma of delicious food wafting from kitchens. Kids are running around with sparklers, and adults are sharing stories and laughter. There's a palpable sense of togetherness as everyone comes together to celebrate. Emotional moments unfold as families exchange gifts and heartfelt wishes, creating memories that last a lifetime. It's a beautiful tapestry of light, love, and unity, truly the highlight of Diwali. So there you have it. Diwali isn't just a festival, it's a celebration of culture, community, and the beauty of lights. Through all the challenges, the essence of Diwali shines even brighter, reminding us of the importance of joy, love, and togetherness. It's a time to reflect, celebrate, and spread happiness wherever we go. Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. How do you celebrate Diwali? Share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on cultural celebrations. Thanks for watching, and happy Diwali to all. Let's stay connected. Don't miss out on more valuable insights. Click subscribe to stay updated with new videos. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. It lets us know you want more content like this. Share this video with friends and family who might benefit. Help us spread positivity and wellness. Thank you for watching.